Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view blocked list on Likee. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Likee app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. After that, tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on privacy. After that, tap on block list. So this is how you can view blocked list on Likee. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.